In this video, we are going to see the final adjustment before entering the sales invoice so that it can properly reflect in the profit and loss account. What we need to do is we need to make sure that when we click on the reporting and profit and loss account, whatever item we sold is automatically charged as income in the product sales, and it should reflect in cost of goods sold as well. So what we need to do is just go back and first of all just click on the settings. I have made some adjustments to the settings. Click on the accounting and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here we need to mention the stock journal as sales, which exists by default, and also the output stock account should be stock delivered and not the cost of goods sold. So these are a few changes that we need to make. Save it. And let's go back and click on inventory and make sure that we click on products and check them one by one. Exempt and all set. Inventory valuation category, we have selected that. And if we click on the internal link, we have to make sure that the stock valuation account is set to stock inventory. Stock journal account is set to sales, which exists by default, and stock input account is set to received, and output account should be set to delivered. And the income account is set to product and sales, and expense account should be set to cost of goods sold. So although when we change it from the main area, it will automatically be configured for not just the one stock, but for all the others inventory as well, as you can see, but you can make the adjustments one by one. So now the adjustment is made. In the next video, we will see how we can enter the cash sales of Corolla windscreen in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.